What's up, y'all? I'm back with another video. This time I ordered something new for my tail light, the tail light decal. Like the little the stickers, you know, the little decal that go on the back of your tail light and shit. I ordered the tiger stripe kind from Luxe. And I be beginning to put on, like, I'm dropping my car tomorrow to get it put on, shit like that. But I ordered it like 2 days ago and it came today. It just came. I'm finna show y'all though. I'll get back with y'all. Here you go, right here. Came in this little box right here. This is who I ordered from. Ordered from Luxe. They got a website and shit. I'm gonna put it on the in the description. Open this shit. Come like this. This is it right here. I guess it comes with the stuff to install it yourself. And all that right there. And this right here. I ain't gonna read this shit though. I ain't feel like I'm finna read this shit. But yeah though, yeah, come. I'm gonna get back with y'all though the next day, when I do everything tomorrow. Fuck with y'all. Fuck it, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how it look. Look like this. I got the blackout kit. They got two different kinds. They got the blackout and then they got the like a shade, like a dark shade type kind. Yeah, this kind I got. Yeah. This like the light plus the fender, like for your other light to connect to the trunk type shit. I just made it to the shop. Finna drop it out of this shop right here. Most things and shit. Yeah, I just got out of work. Came straight over here though. I know y'all be wondering why I don't never install nothing myself, but I don't know how to do none of this shit. I ain't even gonna lie. I can't do none of this shit. So I drop it off. Yeah, trying to get it. One day I'm gonna install something for y'all though. But as of right now, I'm gonna pay to get shit installed though. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe for more though. I got new shit on the way though. I got a lot of new stuff on the way. So y'all just be on the lookout. Cut that post notification bell on too though. Tune in, man. Y'all get me right, man. But yeah, I get back with y'all though after I come pick it up though. I'm here to pick up my car now. There you go right there. Got all these out here. He fits all these. Hellcat. He fit bad. I'll show y'all how it look though at night though. Yeah, he had D-badge my emblems to the Dodge though. Kinda need a car wash though. That's how it look. I gotta show y'all when it at nighttime, like I said though. Show y'all this shit though. Alright, at nighttime now. Let me show y'all how it look though. Make it quick cause I'm gonna give y'all a little warm story with it too. That's it though. But yeah, y'all like, comment, subscribe. I got more stuff on the way too though. Hit that what it is, the post notification bell too though. Y'all gonna get me right, man. I'm tired of doing it for free. But yeah though, I fuck with y'all though.